This is my favorite worst thing ever.
Previously on
And we're bolting two Renesis RX-8 13B engines into a Volvo, bolted them together with a uni joint and a shaft thing in the middle there, and you got yourself a four-rotor.
What's going on, everyone? We're down here at World Time Attack Challenge, Sydney, Australia, and we are in the Hell Tech stand. As you can see, well, all the yellow and black behind us. I'm here with my co-host, Carly. And we got the Trovo! Ooh! We made it happen. No one believed in us, but we're here. If you have been following with the series, you might have seen us mentioning how he's back. We really want to get Rob Dahm's reaction on this thing, and we actually filmed that last night when we unloaded the car. He came over and we caught his reaction, so we might put that in right here so you can check it out.
We just walked back over to the Trovo and there's a man staring at the engine.
It happened already, and we were supposed to have a bit of time.
So, g'day mate, how you going?
This is my favorite worst thing ever.
Yeah, we were very interested to see how you would react to it. So
You know what this is? This is every person's dream of, I want a four-rotor. I can't necessarily afford a four-rotor right now, but I'm gonna make a four-rotor myself. I thought about this. Like, what if you make the E-Shafts kiss?
Yeah.
And you guys did. You shouldn't, but you have. I love it because it's truly like the whole same spirit of what I do. So many people ridiculed me for saying, "Oh, I want to try all-wheel drive," and they're like, "That's stupid. You can't fit the drive shafts." I'm like, "I'll find a way." But deep down, I'm like, "Are they right?" And it's the same thing here. Like, honestly, if you told me about this idea without telling me that you've done it, I'd be like, I'm not a hater.
I hate him.
I love people. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to be wrong. That's mostly. But I'm like, I mean, maybe.
mostly you would think that it wouldn't work.
Yeah, exactly. I'd be like, it might run for a little bit. That's honestly what I would think.
Well, it's definitely only ran for a little bit so far. It hasn't been tuned to anything. It's only driven on and off a trailer last night, and that's about it. But it's got, Haltech ECU, it shoots flames, it's got a four-rotor map in it that I rigged up, and it works.
Perfect. Is it four pulses? Like, is it two pulses?
Nah, it's
four
proper four-rotor. Yeah. So
I don't know about proper, but
proper, mate. That's the problem. Yeah. So the shafts.
Do you know who you're talking to?
The shafts, 90 degrees offset. So it'll go rotor one, rotor 2, rotor 2.
Honestly, your fab work's incredible. I love it. I genuinely
Thank
love
you.
this. I heard it briefly, and so I actually want to film some.
Forget that. Wait till you hear it tomorrow.
Okay, we'll warm it up and
that out.
we'll get. We've got to get our tuner to plug into it and give it a tickle because the base map's not so crash hot. But
guys, I love it. It's truly it's the same weird spirit I have. I mean, to me. This is like the 12 rotor. You know what I mean? Like, that thing should not exist. Yeah. That same thing. But I'm glad because I think everybody in the world wonders if this is possible, and you guys actually put your money where your mouth is.
Yeah, don't get too close.
I'll just stay here.
Have you played with them at all?
No.
No. Do you get them in the States?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we also make fun of them in the States.
Oh, we make fun of them here too.
Yeah. It's the weak rotary, but again, that's the thing. It's like
budget.
Yeah. The thing I applaud you for is that's the guy at home who wants to I have a Renesis. I could get another one. It's the cheapest engine. That's what I like seeing, because like otherwise you're building a four rotor for $50,000 and you're overbuilding it, but that's not, then you don't want to beat on the car. This you can beat on, replace at least one of the engines quickly.
For a portion of the price.
Yeah.
And we don't have a massive CNC in our workshop.
Anything like that.
I got a grinder. SP tools.
Well, this honestly looks better than grinder work. So if that's what you did.
Yeah, there's a lot of grinder work going on.
It's just extra hours. Lots of extra hours.
Yeah. So guys, I fucking love it.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
Fine,
Thank you.
Absolutely. Sick. We can pack up and go home. We're all good. I'll put it back on the trailer. Absolutely awesome meeting you, man.
we'll shoot some flames later this weekend.
Perfect. I'll have my camera over the weekend, so we'll film something from my side too.
Yeah, that's it.
So yeah, we're gonna fire it up in a bit. We'll get Trent to plug in, fine tune it, and yeah, we'll see what Rob thinks of the Ghetto 4 rotor at 8,000 RPM.
We might have to move this this roadblock right here because there's a good chance it's going to set on fire. If you watch the last video, you know how big those flames are, and that's in the danger zone. Anyway.
Just interesting.
Very interesting.
Who's this?
Nobody.
You ready to draw a crowd, mate?
In a good way or a bad way?
I don't know. What we're going to try to do is roll it on an angle forward so the exhaust isn't facing towards the S15.
Yeah.
And then just give her a little clean up in the tune.
See what it does.
Here with a couple of familiar faces, so you might recognise these boys. Hopefully, man, that wind's brutal. That's alright, we're here with Woody and Al from the Skid Factory, or ex-Skid Factory. Just want to see what you reckon of the creation over here.
Man, I am impressed. It's sick. I don't know why no one's thought of this before. Maybe they have. It's a silly idea, but I'm all for silly ideas, man. That is sick. Well done. Well done.
Yeah, nah, all about it. It's all about being different.
It's sick. It's good.
Right?
And it sounds good too. It's like
It's getting there. It's getting there. It almost sounds like fire.
yeah, it runs.
Yeah. Do you want to hear it?
Yeah, let's hear it. I want to film it.
Yeah, let's go.
I want flames. It revs, and it revs a lot better because we were really far out with the timing. But I want flames, and I want them now. What do we want? Flames. When do we want them? Now.
But it seems pretty smooth now.
That was real crispy when I was revving it.
Yeah.
It was like real crisp. It's the best transient out of all the cars. What do you think? There you go. You like it? Yeah.
You think it's started engine? Hold on.
Luckily, we know every drifter in those pits, so we're all good. Dahm Volvos. Dahm Volvos. Like, I want to get another tyre or what? Let's see.
The next day.
Alright, we're here for day 2, the main day World Time Attack on Saturday, and we've fixed the Trolvo. Day 2! Jeez. And we're back! Resurrected! Something, I don't know. So it turns out we pushed the front seal out of the second motor because Tyler didn't put any breathers on the filler tubes that he made. We had no breathing, so it breathed out of the front main seal, and it breathed all the oil out of it with it. But we fixed it. We fixed it. So we can make noise again. Yay! And there's like 30,000 more people here today, so there's going to be an even bigger crowd. It's so less exciting without 6-foot flames coming out of it, not gonna lie. Anyway, we drew a crowd, mission accomplished.
I'm on the move, I'm going up. I'm a man on a mission with no missions and I'm looking for love. Oh, I'm just looking for love. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good, baby.
Something like that come out of the Kang Gang factory?
One day.
Oh! You wouldn't read about it. Just the guy I was looking for. You guys, what's up? That's it. Thanks for tuning into this video. It was a successful-ish weekend at World Time Attack. We got shut down, true keeper eat fashion. We didn't get told off. We weren't doing our job properly. Anyway, it lived. It lived, it died, it lived again. James got both the PWR oil coolers mounted up in the rear. That's probably next video.
That's probably next video.
But it's almost ready to go get it tuned, so we're gonna actually see if this thing will work, which is exciting. So subscribe if you're not already and stick around because very soon you'll be seeing a video of this thing on the dyno. We'll see what happens. That's it. Thanks for watching.